The fourth generation Kia Sorento was unveiled at the beginning of 2020, but spy shots have revealed the mid-size SUV is already preparing for a nip and tuck. Perhaps that's not all too surprising since, in recent years, the South Korean brands have developed a habit of shortening product life cycles. Kia, Hyundai, and Genesis always seem to be in a hurry to freshen up their vehicles, whether it is through a mid-cycle update or a next-generation model. The spy images have now served as the foundation for a batch of unofficial renderings attempting to see into the future of the SUV's styling. Usually, facelifts don't dramatically change a car's design, but the three Asian brands are known to take risks with the styling even within the model's same generation. Although the bigger Telluride facelift is more of the same, things could be different for the Sorento. Gacha Car's YouTube channel have been kind enough to share speculative renderings of how the 2024 Sorento could look. While not much can be seen from the earlier spy photos, the front end appears to be completely redesigned with a new radiator grille and vertical headlights. The LED DRL's arrangement is also completely new, and there are additional changes to the lower section of the bumper and the lower grille. New wheel designs and a few smaller tweaks to the exterior trim are also found in these renderings. As far as the rear end is concerned, spy photos have confirmed there won't be major visual changes at the back, but these digital drawings propose new internal graphics for the taillights. Also, the form of the bumper appears to be unchanged, but there are tweaks to the plastic diffuser. While these renderings give us a basic idea of what the visual changes on the facelifted Sorento could be, we don't know much about its powertrain options. Currently, the SUV is sold in the United States with a range of 4 available engines with a base naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder unit good for 191 horsepower. A turbocharged version of that mill sits above the entry-level offering, producing 281 horsepower. 2 electrified powertrains, a standard hybrid and a plug-in hybrid, both with a displacement of 1.6 liters, are currently available with outputs of 227 horsepower and 261 horsepower respectively. We don't expect big changes on that front. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and we hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and feedback. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.